Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve system is too outdated on Roblox. So know how to fix or how to solve system is too outdated on Roblox app. You should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you will enter to this window of Roblox and you click here. When you find this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you click OK. Then we click on storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. And in the end, you can wait 3 seconds, then you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.